Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw letter W. W for, yes, W for watch. So let's get started. Now for watch, I am using a simple sellotape. You can use any object that can give you a perfect shape of a watch, just like me. Now let's make the strap of the watch like this and like this. It's very easy. Make it like this, simple. Now we will make the inner circle of the watch. After completing the circle, let's draw the two hands of the watch. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and do share this entire list with the kids who really need to learn from us. Thanks for watching.